Hear that? Neighbors in Saugus have had it with the noise coming from that plant. They say the energy facility is so loud they can't sleep. WBZ's Kristina Rex shows us what's being done now to help turn down the volume.
If you listen right now, you don't hear anything. Neighbors say this is the first break they've gotten in 2 weeks from noise caused by this waste plant.
High-pitched, piercing vibration noise.
It sounds like a plane hovering over the house, an airplane.
They say it sounds like a jet engine, the non-stop permeating noise from the Wheelabrator Waste-To-Energy Plant on the Pines River, a noise that neighbors heard for 10 days and nights.
It just permeates your life. You can't go in your backyard, you can't enjoy being in the neighborhood because it just is disturbing.
The plant has been here since 1975. The Department of Environmental Protection says the recent noise was because of maintenance and steam release. The plant shut down for 3 days to try and fix the problem. But come Sunday night, the noise was back.
You don't sleep. I didn't sleep. The night before last, I didn't sleep at all. I was up all night.
DEP employees were out on the river taking notes Tuesday afternoon. The department tells WBZ the noise levels have been adequately reduced, but neighbors believe Wheelabrator is getting off easy while they get no sleep.
Lack of regulation, lack of oversight, lack of enforcement. So the company skirts by. Meanwhile, neighborhoods suffer.
You're always tense. You're always tense. There's never, see how nice and quiet it is right now? You hear the birds singing, you don't have that.
Wheelabrator says the noise was caused by the plant's second boiler and that they plan to keep that turned off until the problem is fixed. They also apologize for any inconvenience. In Revere, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.